It's been 6 months since I switched to Google's top-of-the-line flagship, the Pixel 10 Pro XL. Honestly, I'm impressed. In a market flooded with generic slabs, Google has finally hit its stride with hardware that feels as premium as it looks. But is it still the best choice for you in 2026? Let's break it down. First, let's talk design. While the new Moonstone color is the big visual change this year, the overall aesthetic remains one of the best in the industry. The signature camera bar isn't just a look, it's an identity. But the real game changer is Pixel Snap. Google finally gave us built-in magnets for accessories. Unlike the Galaxy S26, which still requires a specific case for magnetic mounting, Google built it right into the chassis. Whether it's snapping onto a car mount or a wireless charger, it's a massive convenience that makes daily life just a little bit smoother. The display has taken a significant leap forward. The new adaptive tone feature is fantastic. It uses an ambient light sensor to adjust color temperature, making the screen feel more natural, similar to Apple's True Tone. Plus, they've added an accessibility setting for PWM, pulse width modulation, letting you jump from 240 Hz to 480 Hz. This is a huge win for users who get eye strain from screen flicker. Audio-wise, the speakers are much more well-rounded now. They've lost that harsh edge from previous generations and are finally on par with the best from Apple. Now the cameras. This is where the Pixel shines, and where I have a few notes. You're getting a 50MP main wide sensor that produces the most consistent, true-to-life photos I've tested on any Android device. No oversaturation, no blown-out highlights. Video boost remains a massive strength, often outperforming the iPhone 17 Pro Max in dynamic range. However, my one frustration is that you still can't default it to always on. Also, lens flares during night shots are still a bit rough. It's something Google really needs to address in the next hardware cycle. Software is, as always, the star of the show. Android 16 feels incredibly polished with new animations and haptics. Gemini Live has become a genuine daily tool for me. I've used it to visualize furniture in my room and search through years of Gmail history with simple natural language. The integration of personal context makes the AI feel like a true digital assistant. It's not just a chatbot anymore. It's a tool that actually knows your workflow. Performance-wise, the Tensor G5 handles daily tasks with ease. While it might not be the benchmark king for hardcore mobile gaming compared to the Snapdragon chips, for 4K video editing and multitasking, it's been rock solid. And the battery? The 5200 mAh cell is a beast. I'm consistently ending my days with 40% to 50% battery remaining, even with heavy use. It's reliable, and that's what matters most. If I have one major complaint, it's the weight. In 2026, I feel like phones should be getting lighter, not heavier. After using the new Air-style devices on the market, the Pixel 10 Pro XL feels noticeably hefty. If you prefer a light, one-handed device, this might be a modular adjustment for you. 6 months later, the Pixel 10 Pro XL is an easy recommendation. If you want the smartest AI, the best still photography, and a clean premium experience, this is the phone to get. But what do you think? Is the extra weight a deal breaker for you? Or is the Snap ecosystem worth it? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that subscribe button for more long-term reviews.